So last year in Way of the Cross, I looked at the struggles we were having with the tables we were using for the Last Supper scene and decided that's a problem I can fix. We can do better. Not only get to make some tables that would look better, but also that would be so much lighter and so much easier to get on and off the stage. Now, last year didn't go to plan for me. Had a few mishaps, and so I haven't yet done those tables. Got time though, but what I was wondering is if anyone would like to join me. I've teed up with the men's shed and we're going to be using some of their big toys. Things like, you know, the thicknesser, the sliding panel saw, the overhead router, you know, really some really cool stuff. And if we get time, as much as we can, doing a lot of the joinery and other stuff with hand tools. I'm going to have fun doing this. But I thought some of you might want to learn some of these techniques. Now, if you do, I'd love to have a chat to you about it. But let me tell you a bit more about the tables. The tables are going to be modelled on a medieval design from around the 15th century. It's a design you see in a lot of paintings and frescoes and the like depicting the Last Supper. They're going to be made from Californian redwood. Here's the Californian redwood, the ends of it sitting right here. Now, if you know anything about wood, you'll see that some of these are quarter sawn, plain sawn. Teaching the difference is one of the things I want to do. You can also see that they're rough sawn at the moment. This is not timber you buy from the shop all dressed and ready to go. We have to machine this to shape it up before we start working with it. And Californian redwood is a beautiful, beautiful timber. If you want to learn some skills, if you want some fellowship, I think this is going to be a lot of fun to do. So if you're interested, come and have a chat.